Hi everyone, I'm Miki here at the GM Vietnam event. We're speaking with some of the leading minds driving the innovation of the Web3 security. So right now I'm joined by an amazing team from QuillAudits. We have the Britam here, the co-founder, and QuillAudits is a project that's been setting the benchmark where it comes to blockchain security. So let's get into it right now. So yeah, Britam, how are you?
Thank you. Thanks for having me. I'm doing good.
Yeah, how do you find the GM Vietnam event for
It's
you?
good. I am loving it. I think it's a so good city. I loved it, and the event is so good.
Yeah, let's
The
start with
place is so good.
some foundational question. You've audited over 1 million lines of code and secure billions in digital assets. That's massive. And yeah, Quill audits have audited over 1 million lines of code and secure more than over $3 billion in digital assets. What motivates your team to maintain such a high standard of the security in the Web3 space?
Yeah. So we started back in 2018 when there were very less auditing or security company. The reason behind to start it, and we having the same mission now. How we can secure the new future that we thinking, like the decentralized and permissionless. So we started back in 2018 with the same mission, and the motive behind was that back in 2018 there was so many ICO over there, like initial coin offering projects, and most of them are kind of doing scams. And out of those 100% of the projects of 2018-19, only maybe 1% are currently working, right? So we were thinking like how if we are as a developers or focusing on Web3, what is the one thing we should fix it? We decided, let's fix the security. There's so many scams are happening, and then we started the journey. And back in last 7 years we worked with around 1500 plus projects, and the mission is same, like how we can secure the next digital assets future. And as we can see, yesterday only, and last 1 week, USA government also passed so many good draft around digital assets, stable coins, and crypto, right? So I feel next 5 years is going to be very interesting for the Web3 space, and we are on the same mission, how we can secure more digital assets.
Yes. So here I have an interesting question. Have you ever got scammed before?
We
Yeah.
no
Or
we
you personally?
no, we never, right? So one thing that I follow as a founder or as a security person is never trust anyone.
Yeah.
Even my co-founder is going to message something random in the night, hey Preetham, how are you doing? I know this is not his tone to tell me, hey, hi Preetham, how are you doing?
Yeah.
Maybe his Telegram just got hacked, right?
Yeah.
So the one thing that I follow in or inside our company is trust no one, trust no links, right?
Yeah.
Or coming on LinkedIn, Twitter, or mail.
Yeah.
Any message don't trust, right? Always verify first.
Yeah.
So be not scammed yet.
Yeah, so yeah, I think the one that you mentioned just now, by not trusting anyone,
Yep.
not trusting any links, is more about the social engineering
Yep.
part.
So as mentioned, last week only, one of the Indian exchange got hacked. Reason was very simple. A hacker was able to manipulate the developer. And there are so many cases, like I think we seen case of there's one good I think Ronin network from the Vietnam only is it was got hacked around $600 million around 2-3 years back, right? The reason was again was very simple, social engineering, right? So as a security company is not only us, like there is other specific to operation security, there is so many companies are coming, like how we can tackle this kind of stuff. And we are guiding the developers and even the founders, how you manage your from laptop to your personal life to your like anything, right? So that we can save or like stay away from the hacks.
Yeah, that's very nice, and I think that's very important.
Yep.
This is more about the education part. It's
Yep.
it's not only about the technical part.
Yep.
Yeah. So now let's talk about the partnership.
Yep.
The one with the Ether especially caught a lot of the attention. So in your recent collaboration with the Ether, you introduced a 100 million ecosystem fund
Yep.
to support the AI and the gaming projects.
Yep.
How does this partnership enhance the security and scalability of the Web3 applications?
Yep. So so we partner with Ether, and we also partner with like so many other ecosystem funds or incubator accelerators. We recently also partner with Uniswap Foundation. They also launched the grants. So the reason behind be part of these ecosystem funds, right, is very simple. How we can support the early stage projects that don't have the fund, right? But security is again very extremely important, right?
Yes.
So how we can provide our grants, right, and together with other ecosystem partners like Ether or like Optimism or Polygon or Uniswap. So we build that's kind of grants, and we provide to the developers or early stage founders that are finding very hard to raise funds, right?
Yeah.
So again, like they can keep building the product and don't think much about the security. So this, as an audit company, we provide grants to them. And why we doing it, right? Like as a company, we also face the issue, and so many founders face the issue, right? To raise the fund, like like sometimes the auditing charge around 100K, right? 100K or 200K, and they don't have the fund to get it audited. That's why nowadays foundation also, like Optimism and all these foundation also launching the audit grants, right? How they can support the projects. So we are part of these grants and supporting the ecosystem, and how we can scale on board, like maybe next $100 million, like 100 million users to build the next dapps or applications.
Yes, that's very nice. Yeah, so security is never the static, especially with the AI evolving fast and the DeFi continuing growth. With the rise of the AI-driven threats and the decentralized finance, how is QuillAudits adapting its auditing process to address emerging security challenges?
Yeah, so what I feel in next at least and next 3-4 years, AI is going to be part of our company life cycle, right?
That's
Even
true.
today, we use any tool, like from Notion to Slack, you name anyone, right? Everyone is having the AI integrated, right? Same way, how we can use AI to enhance the Web3 security, but not to replace the auditing.
Yeah.
So as a company, as a QuillAudits, we built a tool, Quill Shield. It's an AI powered audit tool that is helping the developers, right, to find the kind of initial vulnerabilities. It's kind of productivity tool, like maybe like 60% or 70% of the vulnerabilities the tool can help you finding the vulnerabilities. And as a developer, you're writing the secure smart contract, and then you can go to the like proper auditing to any other auditing companies. And the first thing it's helping is the like productivity. You're writing the code in your Visual Studio Code, and you're fixing the vulnerabilities also. The second is, now you already fixed like maybe 50% of the basic vulnerabilities. Now your main auditing companies can focus on more business cases or as cases to find the vulnerabilities, right?
Yes.
So AI is actually helping to scale the Web3 security, to, you can say, to minimize the hacks and scams in Web3, right?
Yeah.
It's not going to replace the manual auditing, because manual auditing is so much complex, so much as cases in the DeFi, or so many complex protocols. But I feel in next 4 or 5 years is maybe going to find like 90% of the vulnerability, but still manual auditing is going to be there.
Yeah, that's accurate. So yeah, I have one personal question that I want to ask you. Have you ever meet such this case that you feel really difficulty, like a company pay you a lot of money for maintaining or helping improving their security or the code auditing, and they will have such problem that if everything is peaceful, everything is secure, then they would doubt, why pay you so much money for? And if something happens, really happen, and then they will also ask, why I'm paying so much money for?
Yeah.
So have you ever met such kind of the things, and how do you balance it?
Yeah, sometimes it happens, right? Like this, we working with any protocol, right? And we're saying we will charge you, X dollar, right?
Yeah.
So the amount that we're charging is the time we're giving the auditor from our side, thinking the edge cases, doing the testing and everything, and finding the vulnerabilities. But like, just assume there's no bugs and vulnerability, right? Like maybe the developer written the good cases, but again, it's not 100% true. There is no bugs and vulnerabilities. Maybe just assume we're able to find only minimal vulnerabilities, like maybe like 1%, or like say 0.5%. In cases, sometimes the company developer ask there can be more vulnerabilities, right, in the protocol, right? But it's normal, right? Like if someone is paying you so much money and you feel there's you find out less bugs and hacks, but the auditor from our side that we are assigning is giving the proper time testing, building their test cases, right? And to make it better, right, what we recently did is we launched a multi-layered audit process. So what does it mean is, if anyone is coming to us, first is the AI audit the developer can use. Second is QuillAudits internal team is doing the audit, right? And inside the QuillAudits, we also having our internal red team that do the audit post the the main auditors do the audit, right? So this is the 3 stage. The 4th stage that we recently launched is very interesting. This kind of external vigilant squad. What does it do? Like we having around 10 15 these white hackers that are very very good on this bug bounty platforms like Immunify or Canteen and everything. Now they will come and find more vulnerabilities after the 2-3 stages from our side, right? So now it's more foolproof, there is less vulnerabilities, right? So we suggest every protocol go through this life cycle. If you're going with any audit company, if you're a developer writing the code, use any AI to find the basic vulnerabilities, then go to the one auditing company. And not one, nowadays everyone is going to 2 audit companies, and now the hackers are also smart, right?
That's
they understand more Web3 also. And then go with any bug bounty, or we having in QuillAudits our vigilant squad, go with any kind of stuff, so that at least more 15 or maybe 50 these white hackers are also checking your code. So this is the only way we can protect the hacks, or stay away from the hacks. We have seen the project is raising some good $1 million amount of money, but he's just spending maybe 50K on the audits, but it doesn't making any sense, right?
That's true. So amazing, and thank you so much for the insights. It's very clear that the QuillAudit is not just keeping up with the Web3 space, but really leading the way of the security front. So nice to meet you, and enjoy the rest of the event, and also looking forward to see what's come next.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.